Unlocking Venmo and PayPal's new transfer feature, a privacy checkup. Get ready to say goodbye to the days of wondering why Venmo and PayPal couldn't communicate. Starting in November, you'll be able to send direct payments between the two apps, a feature we've been eagerly awaiting since PayPal's acquisition of Venmo in 2014. It's about time. But before you start sending cash like a pro, there's a crucial privacy setting to consider: the visibility conundrum. Venmo users might recall the frustration of having payment details automatically shared with everyone they connected with. Thankfully, Venmo has made strides in improving privacy in recent years. However, a new concern arises with the upcoming direct payment feature. PayPal users will be able to find Venmo users using their phone numbers, potentially opening doors to scams and spam. Privacy power move. Here's the key. You can take control of your privacy by adjusting the Find Me settings in your Venmo app. Head to Settings, Privacy, Find Me, and restrict who can locate you on PayPal. This proactive step ensures your peace of mind and safeguards your information. Wait for the update. Remember, this privacy adjustment will be available in November, coinciding with the launch of the direct payment feature. So, mark your calendars and get ready to send cash seamlessly while keeping your digital footprint secure. Stay tuned for more tech tips and keep your privacy settings in check.